Hey there, everyone. It is James, your go-to AI trend host, and I am pumped to be here with you. Let us keep that energy flowing. What are you most excited to build with AI? Whether it's a new app, a creative project, or something wild and innovative, I want to hear it. Drop your ideas in the chat and let us turn that excitement into something actionable. Remember, the more creative, the better. Let's just get this conversation rolling. Absolutely. Building your own AI-powered digital persona is an exciting journey, and it all starts with defining what you want your persona to represent. Think about the traits, skills, and interests you want to showcase. Next, choose the right tools. There are various platforms out there like ChatGPT for conversational abilities or image generators for visual representation. You can even integrate AI tools for content creation, like video editing or graphic design, to enhance your persona's presence. Now, let us talk about engagement. Your digital persona should interact with your audience. This means creating content that resonates, responding to comments, and being active on social media. And don't forget to analyze. Use analytics tools to track how your persona is performing, what content works best, and where you can improve. Now, bringing this back to today's topic, what aspects of creating a digital persona are you most curious about? Let us dive deeper into any specific areas you want to explore. All right, let's dive deeper into building your own AI-powered digital persona. Once you've defined your persona and chosen the right tools, it's time to craft your unique identity. This is where storytelling comes into play. Think about the narrative you want to share. What is your persona's backstory? What values do they represent? This will help you connect with your audience on a more personal level. Next, consider the visual elements. Design a logo or choose a color palette that reflects your persona's personality. You can use AI design tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create stunning visuals that capture attention. Now, let's talk about content strategy. What type of content will your persona produce? Will it be educational, entertaining, or a mix of both? Create a content calendar to keep your posts consistent and relevant. Engaging with your audience through polls, QA sessions, or live streams can also help build a community around your persona. And remember, feedback is key. Encourage your audience to share their thoughts and suggestions. This will not only help you improve, but also foster a sense of belonging among your followers. That connects perfectly to what we were discussing. How important is audience interaction for your digital persona? Let's explore any questions or ideas you have about this process. Let us keep the momentum going on building your own AI-powered digital persona. After establishing your identity and content strategy, it is crucial to focus on the technology aspect. Integrating AI tools can elevate your persona's capabilities. For example, you can use natural language processing tools to enhance communication or machine learning algorithms to personalize content based on audience preferences. Next, think about automation. Tools like chatbots can help manage interactions, ensuring that your persona is always engaging with followers, even when you are not online. This keeps the conversation flowing and makes your persona feel more accessible. Now, let's explore collaboration. Partnering with other creators or influencers can expand your reach and bring fresh perspectives to your persona. Consider guest appearances, joint projects, or even co-hosting events to tap into new audiences. Don't forget about the importance of branding. Consistency across all platforms is key. Whether it is your tone of voice, visual style, or messaging, make sure everything aligns with your persona's identity. This builds recognition and trust among your audience. Finally, always stay adaptable. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, so be ready to pivot your strategy based on trends and audience feedback. This flexibility will keep your persona relevant and engaging. Now, bringing this back to today's topic, what challenges do you foresee in creating your digital persona? Let us tackle those together. Let us keep the discussion rolling on how to build your own AI-powered digital persona. Once you've got your branding and technology in place, it's time to focus on content creation. This is where you can really showcase your persona's unique voice and perspective. Think about what formats resonate best with your audience, whether it's videos, podcasts, blogs, or social media posts. Consider the storytelling aspect. Your persona should have a narrative that evolves over time. Share experiences, lessons learned, and even challenges faced. This authenticity can create a deeper connection with your audience, making them feel invested in your journey. Engagement is crucial, so don't just post. And ghost. Actively respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create polls or questions to encourage interaction. This two-way communication can help you understand what your audience loves and what they want more of. As you grow, think about diversifying your content. Explore different themes or topics that align with your persona's interests. This can keep your audience intrigued and attract new followers who resonate with those themes. Analytics play a vital role in refining your strategy. Use tools to track engagement metrics and audience demographics. This data can guide your content decisions and help you identify what is working and what needs tweaking. Now, let's park that for later and stay on today's theme. What specific content ideas do you have in mind for your digital persona? Let us brainstorm some creative concepts together. Continuing on how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let us delve into the importance of community building. Creating a loyal following is about more than just content, it's about fostering a sense of belonging. Encourage your audience to share their own stories related to your persona's theme. This not only enriches the conversation but also makes your followers feel valued and heard. Next, let's talk about collaborations again. Collaborating with other creators can bring fresh ideas and perspectives to your persona. Whether it's a joint live stream, a guest blog post, or a collaborative project, these partnerships can introduce your persona to new audiences and create exciting content. As you develop your persona, consider the ethical implications of AI. Transparency is key. Be open about how you're reusing AI tools and what data you are collecting. This builds trust with your audience and sets a positive example in the digital space. Another aspect to consider is scalability. As your persona grows, think about how you can expand your offerings. This could mean launching digital products, offering courses, or even creating membership programs. These avenues not only provide value to your audience but can also generate revenue. Finally, always keep learning. The digital landscape is ever-changing, and staying updated on trends, tools, and audience preferences is crucial. Attend webinars, read industry blogs, and engage with other creators to keep your skills sharp. That connects perfectly to what we were discussing. How do you plan to keep your digital persona evolving? Let's explore your thoughts on growth and adaptation. Continuing with how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let us focus on the importance of authenticity. Your audience craves genuine connections, so it's essential to let your personality shine through. Share your passions, quirks, and even your vulnerabilities. This transparency can create a more relatable and trustworthy persona. Next, consider the role of feedback loops. Regularly solicit feedback from your audience about what they enjoy and what they want to see more of. This could be through surveys, comment sections, or direct messages. By actively listening to your audience, you can tailor your content to better meet their needs and preferences. Also, think about creating a content series. This could be a weekly video, a monthly podcast, or a themed post series. A consistent format can keep your audience engaged and looking forward to your content. It also helps establish your persona as a reliable source of information or entertainment. As you build your persona, don't forget about cross-platform promotion. Leverage different social media channels to reach a broader audience. For instance, you might share snippets of your content on TikTok to drive traffic to your YouTube channel or use Instagram stories to engage followers in real time. Networking within your niche is also crucial. Join online communities, forums, or social media groups where you can connect with like-minded creators. This can lead to collaboration opportunities and provide you with insights into what's trending in your area of interest. Now, bringing this back to today's topic, what strategies do you think will be most effective for making your digital persona stand out? Let us brainstorm some unique approaches together. Continuing on how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let's explore the significance of branding consistency. Your persona should have a cohesive look and feel across all platforms. This includes your profile picture, color scheme, fonts, and overall aesthetic. Consistency helps with recognition and reinforces your persona-S identity in the minds of your audience. Next, let's discuss the power of storytelling in your content. Share personal anecdotes or case studies that resonate with your audience. Storytelling can evoke emotions and create a memorable experience, making your persona more relatable and engaging. Also, consider the use of AI analytics tools to understand your audience better. These tools can provide insights into user behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns. By analyzing this data, you can refine your content strategy and ensure that you're delivering what your audience truly wants. Another important aspect is to establish clear goals for your digital persona. What do you want to achieve? Whether it's building a community, driving traffic to a website, or generating revenue, having clear objectives will guide your content creation and engagement strategies. Additionally, think about creating exclusive content for your most loyal followers. This could be behind-the-scenes looks, early access to new content, or special QA sessions. Offering exclusive perks can strengthen your community and encourage more people to engage with your persona. Finally, stay adaptable and open to change. The digital landscape is dynamic, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Regularly reassess your strategies and be willing to pivot when necessary to keep your persona relevant and engaging. That connects perfectly to what we were discussing. How do you envision measuring the success of your digital persona? Let's just dive into some metrics and indicators that could guide your journey. Continuing with how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let us dive into the importance of engaging visuals. High-quality images, graphics, and videos can significantly enhance your content. Consider using AI tools for graphic design or video editing to create eye-catching visuals that align with your persona-S brand. This can make your content more shareable and appealing. Next, let's just talk about the role of social proof. Showcase testimonials, user-generated content, or collaborations with other creators to build credibility. When potential followers see that others trust and value your persona, they're more likely to engage and follow along. Another key aspect is to create a content calendar that outlines your posting schedule. This helps maintain consistency and ensures you cover a variety of topics that resonate with your audience. Regularly updating your calendar based on audience feedback and trends can keep your content fresh and relevant. Also, consider incorporating interactive elements into your content. Quizzes, polls, and live QA sessions can encourage participation and make your audience feel more involved. This interaction not only boosts engagement, but also provides valuable insights into your audience's preferences. As you build your persona, think about how to leverage emerging technologies. For instance, virtual reality VR or augmented reality AR experiences can create immersive content that captivates your audience. Staying ahead of technological trends can set your persona apart from the competition. Lastly, keep an eye on your competitors. Analyze what successful personas in your niche are doing well and identify gaps you can fill. This doesn't mean copying them, but rather finding inspiration to develop your unique approach. Now, bringing this back to today's topic, what innovative content formats do you think could resonate with your audience? Let's brainstorm some creative ideas together. Continuing with how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let's explore the significance of nurturing your online community. Building a strong relationship with your audience goes beyond just delivering content. It is about creating an environment where followers feel valued and connected. Encourage discussions in the comments, ask for their opinions, and create spaces for them to share their thoughts and experiences. Next, consider the potential of AI in personalizing user experiences. Use AI algorithms to analyze user behavior and preferences, allowing you to tailor content specifically to different segments of your audience. This can enhance engagement and make your followers feel like your persona truly understands their needs. Another important factor is to establish a strong call to action CTA in your content. Whether it's encouraging followers to subscribe, share, or participate in a challenge, clear CTAs can guide your audience on what to do next and increase interaction with your persona. As you develop your persona, think about the long-term vision. What legacy do you want to create? Whether it's inspiring others, educating your audience, or driving change, having a clear mission can help steer your content and engagement strategies. Additionally, consider hosting events or workshops related to your Persona-S niche. This could be virtual meetups, webinars, or even live QA sessions. These events can deepen connections with your audience and position your persona as a leader in the field. Finally, invest time in continuous learning and improvement. Stay updated on industry trends, emerging technologies, and audience preferences. This commitment to growth can help you adapt your persona to the ever-evolving digital landscape. That connects perfectly to what we were discussing. How do you plan to foster a sense of community among your followers? Let's just brainstorm some strategies to enhance engagement and connection. Continuing with how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let's focus on the power of storytelling in your content. Craft compelling narratives that resonate with your audience. Share your journey, including challenges and triumphs, to create an emotional connection. This authenticity can make your persona more relatable and memorable. Next, think about incorporating user-generated content into your strategy. Encourage your audience to share their experiences related to your Persona-S theme. Highlighting their stories not only fosters community but also enhances engagement and loyalty. Another essential aspect is to stay consistent with your posting schedule. Regularity helps keep your audience engaged and anticipates your content. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, find a rhythm that works for you and stick to it. Consider leveraging AI tools for content optimization. Use analytics to track what types of content perform best and refine your strategy accordingly. AI can help identify trends and preferences, allowing you to tailor your content to what resonates most with your audience. Additionally, think about creating a signature style or format for your content. This could be a specific way you present information, a unique visual style, or a recurring theme. A recognizable format can help solidify your Persona-S identity and make your content stand out. Finally, engage with your audience through various platforms. Don't limit yourself to one channel. Explore where your audience hangs out, whether it's CEs, Instagram, TikTok, or a podcast. Cross-promoting your content can expand your reach and attract new followers. Now, bringing this back to today's topic, what storytelling techniques do you think could enhance your persona's connection with the audience? Let us brainstorm some creative narrative ideas together. Continuing with how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let's discuss the importance of a strong mission statement. Clearly define what your persona stands for and what you aim to achieve. This mission can guide your content creation and help attract an audience that resonates with your values. Next, consider the impact of multimedia content. Diversifying your content through videos, podcasts, infographics, and articles can cater to different preferences within your audience. Experimenting with various formats can keep your content fresh and engaging. Another key element is to create a feedback loop with your audience. Regularly ask for input on what they enjoy and what they like to see more of. This not only makes your audience feel valued, but also provides insights that can help shape your content strategy. As you build your persona, think about the role of SEO search engine optimization. Understanding keywords and optimizing your content for search engines can increase visibility and attract new followers. This is particularly important if you are creating written content or videos on platforms like YouTube. Additionally, explore the potential of partnerships with brands or other creators that align with your persona. Collaborations can introduce your persona to new audiences and create exciting content that benefits both parties. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of consistency in your messaging. Whether it is your tone, style, or the themes you cover, maintaining a consistent voice helps solidify your Persona-S identity and makes it easier for your audience to connect with you. That connects perfectly to what we were discussing. How do you envision your mission statement shaping your content? Let's just brainstorm some ideas to clarify your Persona-S purpose. Continuing with how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let's explore the significance of leveraging analytics to refine your strategy. Use data from your social media platforms and website to understand what content resonates most with your audience. This insight can guide your future content creation and help you focus on what truly engages your followers. Next, consider the power of niche marketing. Identify a specific area within your broader theme where you can establish expertise. By focusing on a niche, you can attract a dedicated audience that values your specialized knowledge and insights. Another important aspect is to create a welcoming and inclusive environment for your audience. Encourage diverse voices and perspectives in your community. This not only enriches the conversation, but also fosters a sense of belonging among your followers. As you develop your persona, think about the potential of storytelling through visuals. Use compelling graphics, animations, or videos to convey your message. Visual storytelling can enhance engagement and make complex ideas more accessible and appealing. Additionally, consider implementing gamification elements in your content. Incorporating challenges, rewards, or interactive quizzes can make your content more engaging and encourage participation from your audience. Finally, stay adaptable and open to experimenting with new trends and technologies. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and being willing to try new approaches can help keep your persona relevant and exciting. Now, bringing this back to today's topic, what niche do you think you could focus on to differentiate your persona? Let us brainstorm some ideas to carve out your unique space in the digital world. Continuing with how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let us delve into the importance of authenticity. Being genuine in your interactions and content can significantly enhance trust with your audience. Share your real experiences and even vulnerabilities. This authenticity can foster deeper connections and make your persona more relatable. Next, think about the role of consistent branding across all platforms. Your visual identity, including logos, color schemes, and typography, should be cohesive. This consistency helps reinforce your persona's identity and makes it easier for followers to recognize your content, no matter where they encounter it. Another crucial aspect is to establish a strong online presence through networking. Engage with other creators, industry experts, and your audience. Comment on their posts, collaborate on projects, and participate in discussions. Building these relationships can expand your reach and enhance your credibility. As you build your persona, consider creating a resource hub or a newsletter. This can be a place where you share valuable insights, tips, and curated content that aligns with your persona's theme. A newsletter can help maintain engagement and keep your audience informed about your latest updates. Additionally, think about the importance of emotional intelligence in your interactions. Being attuned to your audience's feelings and responding empathetically can enhance your relationship with them. This can be especially important when addressing feedback or criticism. Finally, don't forget to celebrate milestones with your audience. Whether it's you reaching a certain number of followers, launching a new project, or achieving a personal goal, sharing these moments can create a sense of community and encourage your audience to celebrate with you. That connects perfectly to what we were discussing. How Continuing with how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let's explore the significance of creating a unique value proposition. Clearly articulate what sets your persona apart from others in your niche. This could be your unique perspective, specialized knowledge, or innovative approach. A strong value proposition can attract followers who are looking for something distinct. Next, consider the potential of community engagement through challenges or contests. Inviting your audience to participate in creative challenges related to your persona can foster interaction and excitement. This not only increases engagement, but also generates user-generated content that can be showcased. Another important aspect is to utilize storytelling techniques in your content. Craft narratives that captivate your audience and convey your message effectively. Whether it is through personal anecdotes, case studies, or hypothetical scenarios, storytelling can make your content more memorable and impactful. As you develop your persona, think about the importance of cross-platform promotion. Leverage your presence on various social media channels to drive traffic to your main content hub, whether it is a website, YouTube channel, or podcast. Each platform has its strengths, and utilizing them effectively can broaden your reach. Additionally, consider the benefits of creating a FAQ or resource section on your platform. Address common questions or topics of interest related to your niche. This not only provides value to your audience, but also positions you as an authority in your field. Finally, stay consistent with your messaging and tone. Whether you resharing serious insights or lighthearted content, maintaining a consistent voice helps reinforce your persona-S identity and makes your content more recognizable. Now, bringing this back to today's topic, what unique value do you think your persona can offer to your audience? Let us brainstorm some ideas to highlight your distinct perspective. Continuing with how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let us discuss the importance of leveraging feedback for growth. Actively seek out constructive criticism from your audience and use it to refine your content and approach. This not only shows that you value their input, but also helps you evolve your persona based on real insights. Next, consider the role of consistency in your content themes. While it is great to explore various topics, having a core theme or message that ties your content together can help establish your persona-S identity. This consistency allows your audience to know what to expect and fosters loyalty. Another key element is to incorporate interactive content. Polls, quizzes, and live QA sessions can encourage audience participation and make your followers feel more involved. This interactivity can deepen connections and create a vibrant community around your persona. As you build your persona, think about the potential of using AI tools for content creation. From automated video editing to AI-generated graphics, these tools can enhance your productivity and help you produce high-quality content more efficiently. Additionally, consider the impact of storytelling through testimonials. Sharing success stories or positive feedback from your audience can enhance credibility and showcase the value of your persona. This social proof can encourage new followers to engage with your content. Finally, remember to celebrate diversity within your community. Highlighting different perspectives and experiences can enrich the conversation and make your persona more inclusive. This approach not only broadens your audience, but also fosters a sense of belonging among your followers. That connects perfectly to what we were discussing. How can you effectively incorporate feedback into your content strategy? Let us brainstorm some methods to ensure your persona continues to grow and evolve. Continuing with how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let us dive into the importance of establishing a strong online presence through strategic collaborations. Partnering with other creators or influencers in your niche can amplify your reach and introduce your persona to new audiences. Look for opportunities that align with your values and mission to create authentic partnerships. Next, consider the power of storytelling through behind-the-scenes content. Sharing the process behind your work, whether it is brainstorming ideas or the challenges you face, can humanize your persona and make your audience feel more connected to your journey. This transparency can foster loyalty and engagement. Another essential aspect is to utilize analytics tools to track your performance. Understanding which content resonates most with your audience can help you refine your strategy. Focus on metrics, like engagement rates, shares, and audience demographics to tailor your content to their preferences. As you develop your persona, think about the potential of creating a content calendar. Planning your content in advance can help ensure consistency and allow you to strategically align your posts with relevant events or trends. A well-structured calendar can also help you balance different types of content. Additionally, explore the benefits of offering exclusive content or perks to your most loyal followers. This could be through a membership program, Patreon, or exclusive webinars. Providing added value can deepen relationships and incentivize your audience to stay engaged. Finally, stay open to learning and adapting. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and being willing to pivot your strategy based on trends or audience feedback can keep your persona relevant and exciting. Now, bringing this back to today's topic, what types of collaborations do you think could enhance your persona-S visibility? Let us brainstorm some potential partners or projects that align with your vision. Continuing with how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let us explore the significance of creating a compelling elevator pitch. This brief, engaging summary of who you are and what your persona represents can be a powerful tool for networking and attracting new followers. Crafting a clear and memorable pitch helps convey your unique value quickly and effectively. Next, consider the impact of user-generated content. Encouraging your audience to share their own experiences related to your persona can create a sense of community and engagement. You can feature their content on your platforms, which not only validates their contributions, but also fosters a deeper connection with your audience. Another important aspect is to utilize storytelling in your marketing efforts. Whether it's through social media posts, newsletters, or videos, weaving narratives around your persona can captivate your audience and make your content more relatable. Personal stories or case studies can illustrate your message and resonate with followers on an emotional level. As you build your persona, think about the importance of diversifying your content types. Experimenting with formats such as podcasts, live streams, or interactive webinars can keep your audience engaged and attract different segments of followers. Each format has its strengths, so find what works best for your message. Additionally, consider the role of consistency in your posting schedule. Regularly sharing content helps keep your audience engaged and ensures that your persona remains top of mind. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, find a rhythm that works for you and stick to it. Finally, embrace the power of storytelling through visuals. High-quality images, infographics, and videos. Continuing with how to build your own AI-powered digital persona, let us discuss the importance of establishing a clear mission statement. This statement should encapsulate your persona as purpose and values, guiding your content and interactions. A well-defined mission helps attract like-minded followers who resonate with your vision. Next, consider the potential of hosting virtual events or workshops. These can provide valuable insights to your audience while showcasing your expertise. Engaging directly with your followers in a live setting fosters community and allows for real-time interaction, enhancing the connection between you and your audience. Another key aspect is to leverage social proof effectively. Highlighting testimonials, reviews, or success stories from your audience can build credibility and trust. When potential followers see the positive impact you've had on others, they're more likely to engage with your content. As you develop your persona, think about the value of creating a signature style. This could be a specific format, tone, or visual aesthetic that sets your content apart. A recognizable style can make your work more memorable and help establish a strong brand identity. Additionally, explore the benefits of engaging in relevant online communities or forums. Participating in the